Here's some views from the outside. That's the master bedroom. Of course, the living room. And then down there, of course, is the great room, or game room. And that's me falling down the driveway. Okay, there's the guest bedroom down there. It's kind of hard to see everything with all the bracing they have up. That's the kitchen up there. And of course the door to come out. And there you have it.